It is good to acknowledge men that are used by God, but the moment you shift your attention from him who sits upon the throne to the Lamb, and you place your faith only on a man of God, or you place your faith only on a ministry, no matter how anointed that man is, you have entered the realm of idolatry. You first acknowledge him who sits upon the throne and the Lamb. When you are done, then you can acknowledge the vessels that will be used as channels, not your source. Is someone learning already? Because sometimes, you know, as men of God, especially in the Pentecostal charismatic circles, because of the abundance of the help of God in our lives, sometimes we make the subtle mistake of turning the attention of people from Jesus to ourselves, as though intrinsically we have the power to help them.